Domino and tile games. Sets fluctuate in the quantity of potential specks toward one side, and subsequently of the quantity of mixes and pieces. The most widely recognized set generally is twofold 6, however in later times, expanded sets, for example, twofold 9 have been acquainted with increment the quantity of dominoes accessible, which permits bigger hands and more players in a game. Muggins, Mexican Train, and Chicken Foot are exceptionally well-known domino games. Texas 42 is a domino game more comparable in its play to a stunt-taking game. Varieties of conventional dominoes proliferate. Triominoes are comparative in principle yet are three-sided and accordingly have three qualities for every tile. Likewise, a game known as quad-ominoes utilizes four-sided tiles. A few different games use tiles instead of cards. Rummy Cube is a variation of the rummy game family that utilizes tiles numbered in climbing rank among four tones, basically the same in cosmetics to a two-deck pack of somewhat English-American playing a card game. Mahjong is another game basically the same as Rummy that utilizes a bunch of tiles with card-like qualities and workmanship. Ultimately, a few games utilize graphical tiles to frame a board format, on which different components of the game are played. Pioneers of Catan and Carcassonne are models. In each, the board is comprised of a progression of tiles. In Pioneers of Catan the beginning design is irregular however static, while in Carcassonne the game is played by building the board tile by tile. Hive, a theoretical methodology game involving tiles as moving pieces, has mechanical and vital components like chess. In spite of the fact that it has no board, the actual pieces both structure the design and can move inside it. Top 10 Domino and Tile Games. Dominoes Classic. The traditional game of matching tiles with the same number of pips. The most common variant is the block game. Mexican